Let's take a closer look at some of the most expensive jet skis available today. You'll be amazed by the incredible features we reveal about them. Check out our top pick at the end of this episode. If you want to do something fun on the water, you should try riding a jet ski. Jet skis are some of the more exciting ways to enjoy the summer, over at a beach or lake. Although the term originated as a brand name from Kawasaki, it is now used to refer to any small personal watercraft that can seat people in a typical motorcycle configuration. There are plenty of models and features to choose from, and these personal watercraft also have high-end and pricier variants. Just imagine paying over $20,000 for a jet ski. Which one would you pick? Welcome to Harbour Masters, your source of information and updates on the latest boats and the best luxury yachts. The Sea-Doo GTX Limited 300 starts at number 5. The model is powered by a Rotax 1630 ACE engine with 300 horsepower. This jet ski has the most powerful engine in the Sea-Doo lineup. It is 11 feet long and has a width of 4 feet. Moreover, it has approximately 19 gallons of fuel capacity and can accommodate 3 passengers. The GTX Limited 300 adds a 5-star touch to an already great watercraft. It has a huge swim platform and a lot of space on deck that can be used. The GTX is equipped with the BRP Premium Bluetooth audio system and the panoramic 7.8-inch color LCD display. There's also a USB port, an organizer for the storage bin, and a boat cover. The stability and comfort of a large swim platform are improved, which is a great place to relax or get ready for water sports. The GTX Limited 300 is priced at over $18,000. The Yamaha FX Limited SVHO is at number 4. The model is powered by a Yamaha 1.8-litre supercharged, Super Vortex high-output marine engine, with 250 horsepower. Yamaha says that the engine delivers more power and torque than any wave runner before it. It is 12 feet long and has a width of 4 feet. This Yamaha unit has approximately 19 gallons of fuel capacity and can accommodate 3 passengers. The Yamaha FX Limited SVHO has an area for a smartphone, a USB port, a 12-volt power outlet, and LED lighting. Upgraded ergonomic handlebars have rope hooks, built right in to make things easier. The high-brightness glass touchscreen has audio controls, full smartphone connectivity, mapping that is ready for GPS, and an improved drive control function. The jet ski also comes with 2 factory-installed integrated FX speakers, a Garmin Striker GPS fish finder with a custom transducer and mount, among others. The Yamaha FX Limited SVHO has a base price of over $19,000. The Sea-Doo Fish Pro Trophy is at number 3. When the sight of a bent-over rod gives you a rush of adrenaline, there's a boat made just for that, the Sea-Doo Fish Pro Trophy. The watercraft is powered by a Rotax 1630 ACE engine, with 170 horsepower. It is 12 feet long, and has a width of 4 feet. Moreover, it has approximately 19 gallons of fuel capacity, and can accommodate 3 passengers. Livewell anchoring system High-tech fish locator, trolling modes, are a few of the exclusive characteristics of this Sea-Doo Fish Pro trophy. All are designed to provide fishing fans with a once-in-a-lifetime experience on every trip. The ST3 platform provides effortless boarding, ample deck space, and better confidence. The innovative IDF technology allows riders to clear obstructed intakes without getting wet. Upon pressing a button, your precious ride time is maximized. The Sea-Doo Fish Pro trophy has a starting price of over $19,500. At number 2 is the Kawasaki Jet Ski Ultra 310LX. The Watercraft is powered by 4-stroke supercharged engines, with 310 horsepower. It is 12 feet long, and has a width of 4 feet. This jet ski has approximately 21 gallons of fuel capacity, and can accommodate 3 passengers. Riders can choose from 4 power modes: full, middle, low, and SLO, depending on how they ride or how skilled they are. The Jet Ski Ultra 310LX takes luxury and style to the next level, with all the amazing performance and convenience of the Ultra 310X and Ultra 310XS, plus an unmatched seat and sound system. The first of its kind 3-position ERGO fit adjustable luxury seat is designed for the comfort of up to 3 passengers. The Jet Sound 4S is a highlight of the Ultra 310LX, and the Bluetooth connectivity is included as standard equipment on this personal watercraft. The watercraft's race-inspired shell enables it to be maneuvered with accuracy and precision. The Jet Ski Ultra 310LX is priced at close to $20,000. Before we move on to our top choice, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share some of your boating stories and adventures down below. Finally, at number 1 is the Bassi Barasa. Bassi says that this is a unique high-end jet ski, manufactured by a boutique European PWC manufacturer. The watercraft is powered by a marine power unit engine, with 320 horsepower. It is 12 feet long, and has a width of 4 feet. The watercraft has approximately 17 gallons of fuel capacity, and can accommodate 2 passengers. This amazing jet ski is made with a unique hull that is reinforced with carbon fiber. Since there are no limits on this engine, the Barasa can reach almost 80 miles per hour in ideal conditions. It is made up of about 2,000 different parts, such as a race-grade composite hull, with a unique pointed keel that helps it cut through the water with ease. As for the cockpit, it has 2 separate screens. One screen has a built-in GPS unit, and the other shows navigation, fuel consumption, and a G-meter. The Bassi Barasa is valued at over $59,000. Having the freedom of a jet ski makes going to the beach even more fun. You'll feel as free as when you ride your motorcycle through the countryside. Which one of these most expensive jet skis is your favorite? Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and check out the rest of the channel for more interesting boating videos. Thanks for watching, and smooth sailing!